Welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to set up an order bump on your checkout page or landing page. An order bump will recommend related product suggestions that complement the items your customers are purchasing. It is a last-minute upsell offer presented during the checkout process that aims to boost sales. But before we dive into the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for more insightful tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell. In a previous video, we covered how to create a custom checkout page. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is in the description. Make sure to check it out to avoid confusion. Now let's move on to setting up the product bump system. First, head over to your Berdu website's dashboard. Click on Layout, then select Custom Pages. You can either edit an existing page or create a new one. I will give an example by editing this custom page. This is a landing page I previously created. Next, click on Add section and select the Checkout Form section. Now, choose the product you want to recommend. For instance, select this one. You'll see the product appear below the checkout form like this. Make sure customers can adjust the quantity of the recommended products. If your display looks different from what you see here, you can change it by going to the Form tab, then to Purchase Settings. Under Edit Product, select Direct. If it's not set to direct, customers won't be able to increase or decrease the product quantity. Let's go back to the Products tab. If you only have one product listed, the minimum purchase quantity can't be less than 1, meaning customers have to buy at least one item. But if you add 2 or more products, the quantities can be set to 0. We recommend adding 3 products for better upselling opportunities. Here's an example. Set the default quantity of the first product to 1. Set the second and third products to 0. These 2 additional products will serve as your product recommendations on the checkout page. So, when a customer buys the first product, they'll also see these related suggestions. Let's say a customer wants to buy a mirrorless camera. You can recommend a tripod and an extra memory card. If you're selling running shoes, the recommended products could be sports socks and a shoe cleaning gel. In our case, since the main product is a premium knit cardigan, the recommended bump products could include a scarf to create a complete stylish look. Another option would be suggesting fabric care products, like a delicate wool detergent. These recommendations not only complement the main product, but also enhance the customer's overall shopping experience. Since the recommended products currently appear below the checkout form, let's move them above to make them more visible. To do this, go to the Layout, change the form position to bottom. Click Done, and move this form section to the position you want. For example, I placed it below the promo code section group. When everything is finished, click Save and view the page. As you can see, the order bump system is now live. This is the default view of the page. When customers add the main product to their cart, they'll easily see the recommended items and can add them to their purchase with just a click. That's it for today's tutorial with effective product recommendations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you